So very quickly, I'll be talking about how to change dates on WordPress blog posts. How to change dates on WordPress blog posts. So first, you go to the site. Now this is a marketplace. So what we need here is to edit the date on the blog. So go to the blog. If you want a blog, you don't really need to start navigating all around. All you have to do is just go to your blog, then look for an old post. You can look for an old post. So okay, let's look for an old post and bring it forward a little bit. Let's go to page 4. So let's look for a post that was done months back. Where is okay? Now this is October 11. I want to bring this post to December 29, 2021. And like I said earlier on, it's good for Google search rank. Google likes fresh content. Then some of your readers too, when they visit your site and they see there's an old post, they might not really want to click on it. Or when they see your post on search engine, they might not really want to click it. But when they come to you, when they see your post on search engine and it's recent, they would want to click on it and visit the site. So it could actually help drive traffic. So right now we are going to this article is significance of agricultural mechanization in West Africa. Let's click on it. It was written on October 11, 2021. Now this is it. What we have to do now is we have to edit. Let's edit the post and bring the date forward. Bring the date forward while it's opening. Okay, now this is it. So I'm using a phone. As you can see, we'll go to the settings, and from the settings we look for where the date is. Now this is the date. We click on the date. Now today is 29th of October. Let's change it to 29th of October of December 2021. Now what we need to do now is we need to change the time. You can actually change it to let's say 7 o'clock. Let's tell them it was published by 7 o'clock so that it can go live immediately. 7 a.m. Then and that's it. So as you can see, it's now December 29, 21, 7 o'clock a.m. Now I'm going to save. Let's update. Now let's view the post to see our changes. Now as you can see, the date has been changed to December 29, 2021. So that's all you need to do. It's really simple. Now watch out for our next. Now if you go to your blog, let's go to the blog. As you can see, it's the most recent article that was published on the page on our blog. As such, when it shows on Google, it's going to rank very fast because Google would actually assume that it's a new post. So even if it was ranking before, this is an opportunity for you to rank higher. You can just take advantage of this and use it on your blog to drive more traffic and to show more importance of to show more reasons why people should click on your post. That's all. Thank you.